Have you ever taken a walk through a garden or a farm and noticed weeds popping up everywhere, no matter how much effort goes into removing them? They grow fast, they compete with crops, and they make farming a lot harder than it needs to be. So here's a question to start us off today. What if artificial intelligence could help us spot weeds faster, even by creating fake weeds? Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dive in. Weeds are a big deal in farming. They steal nutrients, block sunlight, and hurt crop production. Farmers need tools that can quickly find and identify weeds, especially as chemical solutions become less effective. That's where AI comes in. Modern camera systems and detection models can recognize weeds automatically, but these models need tons of images to learn from, and taking thousands of field photos, labeling them, and repeating that every year. That's slow, expensive, and sometimes impossible when certain weeds are rare or seasonal. Researchers came up with a clever idea. Why not generate fake weed images instead of photographing everything? They used a technology called Stable Diffusion, an AI that normally creates artwork or photorealistic images from prompts. But instead of generating random pictures, they customized it with something called an image prompt adapter. Basically a feature that lets the AI study a real weed image and recreate new versions that look very similar. Think of it as showing the AI one dandelion and saying, "Great, now make a bunch more that look like real ones, but aren't exact copies." And it works. The team generated realistic weed images and blended them into real field photos. Then they used these images to train a weed detection model. The result? The detection system became smarter and more accurate because it had more variety to learn from. This approach could completely change how we train agricultural AI. Farmers and researchers can build huge datasets without spending months in the field. Rare weed species can be represented even if they hardly appear in real photos. Detection tools become better prepared for real-world settings, different lighting, soil types, seasons, and plant shapes. And the best part? This method is faster and more flexible than previous techniques. It shows that synthetic data isn't just a backup option. It can be a powerful teaching tool for AI systems. So as we look toward the future of farming, we're beginning to see a world where AI doesn't just analyze the field, it imagines it. Here's a thought to leave you with today. If AI can already create useful synthetic plants, what other parts of agriculture could benefit from completely imagined data? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Until next time, keep exploring.